Today, I'm going to teach you how to make jalapeno cheese monkey bread.
For the jalapeno cheese monkey bread, we'll be needing hot sliced jalapeno peppers, cornmeal, shredded cheese, butter, cream cheese, and 2 crescent roll packages. Unroll one of your crescent rolls and roll it into a rectangle. Then press at the seams. Then cut it into 24 pieces. Do this with the other crescent rolls so you have 48 squares in total. Now in your pre-cut pastry square, put 2 1/4 jalapeno slices and put a dollop of cream cheese. When you're done, this is how it should look. Then take each individual one and wrap it into a little ball. Then spray your 10-inch cooking pan with spray. Once you're done making your jalapeno balls, baste them with the butter. Then roll in cornmeal. And put in your baking tray. This is how it should be when you're done. After this, preheat your oven to 350 and cook for 23 to 27 minutes. After 25 minutes, take the monkey bread out and cover it with cheese. Then put it back in the oven so the cheese melts for 5 minutes.
Your monkey bread is now finished. Thanks for watching.